role as a REC is absolutely critical to the success of this democratic project. I must unequivocally, and I admonish you, that the integrity of our election is non-negotiable. I charge you to uphold the highest standard of professionalism and integrity in every action you take. As I have emphasized to my colleagues, and I now emphasize to you, any compromise on our values or our procedures shall not be tolerated. This is a profound responsibility, placing you at the forefront of Nigerian democratic journey in one of our states. My tenure as the chair of Independent National Electoral Commission began with a clear and unwavering mandate to deliver free, credible, transparent, and inclusive elections to the good people of Nigeria.
I will ensure that the implementation of result management system is going to be a top notch in any state I've been assigned to, which is in two folds. The first one is the real-time transmission and onward public display of results from the pool. Then another aspect that I've deducted in scene is training, retraining, and monitoring of the election officials so that they continue to uphold neutrality and professionalism. The voter education, which has to do with the continuous voter registration that is ongoing. And I think a bold step must further be taken so that our people will be highly sensitized, especially those who are coming from the remotest part of the country and the downtrodden people in our society.